Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a keto haul, keto grocery haul. Just a couple of things I wanted to run through really quick since I'm still doing keto. Show you guys some options if you're trying to do keto and don't know what to buy when you go to the grocery store. This might help you out. So I'm just gonna run through everything. It's just a small haul. I went to Kroger and Whole Foods and Sprouts and I got a couple things for about $150. So first, we have bacon. I try to buy organic everything just because if I have the money, I'll try to buy organic. So organic, uncured, pure pork bacon. Use that for breakfast or whatever. Then we have some vegetables, kale and spinach. Use that on a daily basis. And to go with the greens, we have asparagus. I got frozen non-organic just because it's easier. I can save it and it'll last longer. Alright, lemons. This is good for lemon water. Put it on fish or whatever. Then we have avocados. You can make guacamole or just eat it as is. It's good for potassium, especially when you're transitioning into ketosis. You want to get a lot of potassium. We have some macadamia nuts. This is my favorite brand. It's so good. The sea salt macadamia nuts. It's really good. I love these. I got this from Sprouts for like $8. I got an aloe vera leaf. This you could put in a drink or whatever, but I actually use this for my face. So yeah. For seasonings, we got some turmeric. It's anti-inflammatory. It's good for you. We got some garlic powder just because it's good. I like garlic powder. We got some butter, grass-fed Kerrygold salted butter, very keto friendly. And then Diet Dr. Pepper because I'm obsessed with Diet Dr. Pepper and that's what it is. I got some water, but it's in the car. And then we have almond milk. I'm going to use this for protein shakes. This is the organic protein milk. Yes, almond milk with 10 grams of protein. It's 3 carbs, 2 fiber. So not bad. I'm going to use this with almond butter and protein powder and make a protein shake. So this is just almond butter, creamy, original, really good. And then we have some cheese sticks. A little snack on hand, organic of course. I try to buy organic cheese or milk all the time. Now for the meats. These are all the meats I got today. Everything's organic and grass-fed. I got some ground bison patties. This actually has 23 grams of fat, so that's really good. 25 grams protein, no carbs. It looks good. I don't really buy bison, but I'm excited to try that and see how it tastes. Then we have some ground beef, grass-fed. This actually has 17 grams of fat, so this one actually has more fat. I didn't know that. And then we just got some ribeye steaks. That's it. I was gonna buy some salmon, but I actually already have salmon at home. And then last but not least, keto chocolate. If you haven't tried these are really good. The creamy milk is my favorite. The creamy milk, caramel, or the original flavors are my favorite. Really good. If you have a sweet tooth and you want some chocolate, try this brand out, Lily's. So that was my grocery haul, just quick and simple. If you guys would like to see more of what I eat throughout the week or the day, let me know. I am doing a new little program. I'm trying to lose another 10 pounds or so. So these are going to be some of my staple food items I buy on a weekly basis. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you're doing keto and how's it going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. And let me know what other videos you would like to see. The creamy